What's up everybody? In this video, we are going to learn how to install the Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE is used to write and upload scripts to your Arduino compatible board. The IDE is compatible with Windows, Mac, or Linux operating systems. Let's jump in. Open up a web browser and type in the address www.arduino.cc. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu. Highlight Software and then select Download. This will take you to the Download Arduino IDE page. As of the making of this video, the current version is Arduino 1.8.12. Select the version of Arduino that matches your OS and click on the link. This will take you to a page that says Contribute to the Arduino software. Today we're just going to select the Just Download option. When you click Just Download, you'll see the program starts to download. After you download the software, extract the zip file and you should see the Arduino IDE. If you're on a Mac, drag the Arduino to your Applications folder. If you're on a PC, the software will install through the Windows Store. Once installed, locate the Arduino IDE on your system and open it. When the program opens, you should see a blank script with the current date. To recap, at the end of this video, you should have the Arduino IDE installed on your system. See you next time!